name is Mama, but you guys can call me Naya because I'm your best YouTube friend. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple experiment that is going to explain something very important about light. The real question to this video is, can light bend? Now, my guess is it will not bend because if you have a torch and you shine it at something, it's just straight. Now, that's why my guess is it probably won't bend, but hey, that's why we're here to figure it out. So, for my materials are just some water and a piece of paper with the number 10 on it. And for my apparatus or tools, I have one thing, it's just a glass cup. Okay, so let's see what happens to the number 10 when it goes behind the water. I saw that when I put the number 10 behind the glass of water, it flipped. Now in scientific terms, that's called refraction. That proves that light does bend in water. The reason why light bends is because of the density of the material it travels through. Okay guys, this is the end of my refraction video. I hope you guys liked it, and please come along on my journey of all my science videos, so do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and put on notifications so you guys are the first ones to know when I put out a video. Bye!